ngithi kanje zo3 into ezakubugebengu zo3 le yokuqala ile esidabulisa kakhulu which is a victim so there's always a victim bese kuba khona a conducive environment bese kuzoba ke a willing perpetrator suthi ubugebengu bakwana nawo nomuphi umuntu othole ithuba lokuthi abenze ubugebengu. So there are people who are actually not criminals by birth or by growth, but who are just criminals because of the environment. Ebavumela ukuthi babe ama-criminals. Okay, to answer unye okukhona angifuni ukungena khona ngoba anginalo ulwazi lapho. Thina nje la ku-private sector sithi thina izandla zethu zivuliwe ivele siyasebenzisana namaphoyisa kakhulu futhi ezingeni eliphezulu and saphinda futhi sisebenzisane siyaqhubeka sisebenzisane lapho. So ke ubugebengu nje mina ngiyabenyanya ngifuna ukudlala ngalo.